Today we're going to install this resort tile from Shaw. This color is an oatmeal. They're 16 by 16 and they are very durable. And the reason why we're doing it is it's for rental properties. So the theory is you should be able to pull these pieces up if they do for some reason get ruined. You heat them up with a heat gun and you the grout and the tile, heat it up with a heat gun, you pull out the grout, and then you should be able to lift up the tile. That's the rumor. Haven't tried it yet. I'll probably do a video on some scrap pieces just to see how well it works. I am putting it on top of stuff called underfloor. And that's what this is. It is made by Congolium underfloor. And that's what we're gonna use. It comes in 100 square feet. And then you tape down the center with packing tape. So that is our plan. And we will. Okay, so this is what the underfloor is. Right now I cut around the pipe, cleaned it all up, so I'm gonna lay the adhesive down now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this adhesive on. Like I said, having mixed signals from the instructions, I don't know, can't remember how many years ago, 4 years ago maybe, they said do not do a grout or a trowel. It said smooth. Maybe I misunderstood it and that was for sheet tile. The problem is I think I used a grout on some, or a trowel on some of it, and then what happened was the grout lines didn't get tacky. So when I came back the next day, I stepped on it and it was clearly moving. And so I think what I'm gonna do is, just like I said, I'm gonna just put a thin coat just like this. I'm gonna screw myself there, getting that close to the tile or the tub. Nothing fancy, just using a mud knife, plastic, so I can throw it away. I'm gonna go two rows so I can get to it, because I got a feeling that I might be screwing myself if I do too much, and then I'll be kneeling on it, and then I'll be coming through, and then been there, done that. So this is my method. Like I said, I'm not a tiler. I just do it for our properties. And if someone wants to comment in the sections of if I'm doing it right, am I doing it wrong, be my guest. I'll take any type of professional ideas and thoughts. But like I said, the last time I did a set, I think there's a screw there. Shit. Excuse my language. Piece of mud. I didn't get off. That's what it's kind of nice about this stuff is just do that. Like my floor's got a little dip in it there. camera or not. Back it up a little bit. As high as my thing will go. So, like I said, we're only going to do part of it. It's getting tacky already in my hand, so we're not going to get too carried away. I'm just kind of concerned now on that. That's about 32 inches right there. Kind of concerned about that corner there. But too late. It's going down. It is what it is. Plus it's 16 inches. Plus I think I'm going to do an 1/8 inch grout line. So it should have ran my hand over. Thought I did that, but obviously I didn't. So, some spots I got a little bit more thicker toilet. See, if you can see, I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's already starting to dry. So I'm going to quit messing with it. And then come back when it gets a little more tacky and go from there. So I'll be back. Okay, now let me see if I can get this in a better location. So we're gonna try her out. It's tacky, it's probably been 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I didn't want to turn the heat on. It's a little wet yet, but it's kind of tacky to the finger. So I'm gonna start. Hopefully, I do believe these are directional also, I noticed. So hopefully I got them all the right way. We'll find out here shortly. So it tells you, again, it wants a, see that's pretty, it's in there pretty good. Wants a 100-pound roller. Well, I totally forgot my roller. So we are going to put some 2x4s over it, and I have noticed though, if I recall, kind of like once it's down, it's kind of like down. Obviously you don't want to push on it until you're actually ready. And like I said, the last set I did, I swear that it had I mean, this has a little beveled edge, I guess. I don't know, maybe I should have just, it does have a beveled edge, I guess. I don't know. I didn't compensate for that, so we're leaving it like it is. Maybe in the kitchen we'll do that, but I did not. Like I said, the gray ones seem like they had more of a bevel than these ones, but maybe I'm wrong. I'm not gonna push this guy quite down because that doesn't look right. I got an extra tile here. Oh, that guy was here. So we're gonna same with this guy because I gotta kind of line it up with the middle. Okay, I'm on to the next. Yeah, that grout line's a little bit thick, I think. I don't. Should have got that far. Oops, I screwed myself on this one too. Son of a gun. Well, I think this was the. So. Like I said, it's kind of like, once it's in, it's in. It's not like mortar where you can kind of move them around a little bit. It's kind of, once this stuff is tacky, it's tacky. It ain't gonna move. So most of when you kind of put it down, it's down. Keep on repeating myself. Just got to make sure that my directional pattern is right, because I do believe they got an arrow on the back. But I don't think that arrow means anything, because one, if you can see, the pattern looks like it's vertical this way. And then I saw an arrow going this way on one, but then the patterns were opposite and the arrow was going opposite. So I can't confirm that they are or are not directional. So as long as I line up on this one, it's going to be under the toilet here, so I really, do care, but see, I got a little gap right there. And then here, there's going to be a medicine cabinet right there, so that should be covered there, see. And that's going to be behind here, so it should be right there. And then this guy is going here. So like I said, this is basically a floating floor, if you think about it. They should have did a roller though. I might screw myself. I'm gonna, coming up a little bit over here. So what I'll do is put some 2x4s over the top. This is probably a bad idea, because you could potentially move it a little bit, but you can see the different color on the grout line, or the grout, so there it is. I'm gonna back you up. I'm gonna put down some more glue for the section here. Second section. Go from there.